try to film somebody really sexy. Alright, so today I decided to share my skincare, what I use on a daily or every other day, things that I have switched up in my skincare routine. A lot of you have been noticing my skin and how I am not afraid to embrace my bags and my imperfections on a daily, basically. I feel like I don't even wear makeup. And I have a full-on cake face today, but I don't even wear makeup on a daily basis anymore. Like, it's just, I don't know, I feel great in my own skin. Like, I don't feel like I need to hide anything. I've gotten used to my skin tags. They're there, they're not going anywhere, so it is what it is. And yeah, lately I've just been on some YOLO and just been loving my skin. So I figured that I would share with you guys everything that I have been using and abusing these days. I do share a lot with you guys on Snapchat, which is where you should be following me. If you don't, get on it, boo-boo. But I will share everything today. I'm gonna go in no particular order. I did whip out some affordable and high-end just in case. Not everything do I have a high-end and a drugstore for, but I figured that I would share the ones that I did already have. That has definitely changed my face game for sure is the Dennis Gross 2-minute skin fix. It looks like this. So it gives you an exfoliate side and then you do side 2. 2 is the anti-aging neutralizer. So it's just a cloth. I opened one earlier and I think I threw it out. Oh no, hold on. Alright, so mine is dirty because of course I used it. So it comes in this. You peel it off and then it looks like this. It's dirty of course because I used it, and it's just a cloth and you just rub it on your face. There's no actual like peels or like exfoliating beads in it. No, it's literally just a cloth that like takes away the dead skin and all of that. And then you do step 2, which is the anti-aging neutralizer, and it just seals everything and moisturizes you at the same time. If you feel both of them, this one feels a lot softer than the first one, but it's not something that's so harsh that you can't do every week, which is what I like about it. Some people do it some people do this every 2 days. Some people do this every day. I don't feel like my skin is that bad. I do it every week, sometimes every 2 weeks. It just depends on how I feel like my skin is doing, but I honestly have seen the difference in my skin tags, especially like they used to be so much more raised. Anytime I would put something on it, you would be able to see it from a mile away, and it was just, I didn't like it. I mean, obviously you can still see my skin tags now, but they're a lot more smoother at the surface. Before it was just very dry in texture and then dryness around it, so it wasn't a cute look. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. This has definitely changed my skin game for sure. Talking about cleaning face, something that hasn't changed by far is the Tatcha Polished Classic Rice Enzymes Powder. I used it to do this. So you pour some in your hand, you add some water, make it into a foam, and I use my Clarisonic Mia 2 with it. I really like how smooth this leaves me, and it doesn't make my face feel like dry, like it's ripped off all the shine moisture from my face. It doesn't make it feel tight or anything like that. It's just a great gentle wash. If I'm not doing that, I'm doing but an alternative for that, I don't feel like this leaves you as soft as the Tatcha, because this does leave your skin a little bit tighter, but this has the beads inside of the scrub, and it is the baking soda biore for your pores. It penetrates pores and gently exfoliates. It is gentle. I don't feel like it's harsh, but I do feel like my face is a little tight after I do this, so I know that I need to do a toner after this one. That was another one. And another one that if I don't use the Tatcha is the First Aid Beauty, and I just got put onto this because it was in my BoxyCharm. Almost done. I'm sad. I have to buy another one. It's the face cleanser with antioxidant booster, removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. Safe for sensitive skin. I use this when I'm extremely dry. Like, I know that I can't use this one because this one will peel me for days, and I don't want to use this one because it is a little bit scented, so I don't know if it's gonna like backfire on me. I know that the First Aid Beauty is specifically for that reason. When your face is like really dry and cracked and open, basically now this time of the year. This is my A game right here. So I really like this one. I'm gonna have to pick up another one because it is gone. The Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream looks like this. Mine is completely almost done. I love this. I've been using this for about 2 months now, and I feel like I don't even have to use concealer when I use this. It's that freaking good. I don't know what's in here, but it's like Jesus for your under eye. Like, I suffer from under eye dryness because of my allergies. Like, I feel like I'm allergic to life. I'm surviving now because I don't know, but I feel like every day I find out I'm allergic to something else, or something else triggers my allergies, whether it's dust, some kind of perfume sometimes people wear. It just has me sneezing like crazy. For sure, animals, like I can't. I die whenever I go to clients and they have animals the next day, or like 20 minutes after that, I'm like sneezing my life away, and it's annoying because, you know, you get the pulse nasal drip, then you feel itchy, your throat gets itchy. It's just, it's a video on its own, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I feel like because of that, this has really helped the dryness under my eyes. It has saved the game, and honestly, I don't feel like I need of course I would, right? I don't feel like I need concealer. Like, I can put that on, put some mascara, and I feel confident. I feel like I can rule the world. I can take on the day. I'm good. I'm not self-confident about like my under eye circles or anything like that, because Lord knows I got bags, and your girl, she don't be sleeping on time. But I feel like I could go outside and look decent. Like, I'm not gonna scare anybody when I do that. I don't have to put on concealer, and it's amazing. It's really good. I'm a fan of it. So let me tell you what it does. So it is a brightening vitamin C eye cream that targets signs of aging, reducing the look of dark circles while improving concealer application wear. Inspired by a makeup artist's secret banana powder. So that's basically what it does. I can tell you that it does all that, and I don't even use it with concealer unless I like beat my face and I'm putting it underneath and putting this on top. I'll say that it layers beautifully with concealer as well. I haven't had an issue yet. Anytime I do makeup and I do use it, I am satisfied. So good stuff. It's the eye cream from this brand. I don't want to butcher it. You guys see it. This brand I got in a kit. It also came with a moisturizing cream and an eye cream that's on the floor. But the eye cream is amazing. If I don't use an eye cream, my concealer will crease in less than 2 hours. It doesn't matter what concealer I'm using, whether it's Shape Tape, Giorgio Armani, Laura Mercier, it can be Wet n Wild, it doesn't matter. My eyes will just crease. I have a lot of skin tags under there, and it's just no matter what I do, it will crease. So for me, adding the most hydration to the under eye works the best for me. So if I'm not using an eye cream, I will use, I know this is going to be like, what? I will use Neosporin or Basitrin underneath my eye. I'm telling you, it saves me. I do it to clients as well. It has changed the under eye game for me, for real. I do the under eye cream from this brand at night to go to sleep. But if I don't like see it visible on my counter, then I'll just use some of this, and it's been amazing. Like, I feel like the under eyes has been a lot better thus far. You know what I'm saying? Let me not jinx it, because tomorrow I'll be like, oh my god, I'm so dry. But this brand, the water cream to go to sleep, has been great as well. Honestly, it's so light and you feel like hydrated immediately. It is a gel based. It's not like an actual lotion. It's a water cream, which is so good. So, and it smells so good too. It's not too overpowering. I don't really like a lot of sensitive things on my face, but I can go over this because it's a water-based thing, so it kind of dries like right away. It says purifying and moisturizing. Benefits, main features. I got this because when I spent my life in Sephora, the lady was like, you know, you have a lot of raised skin texture on your face. You should try these. This will help your skin tags and the dryness that is around them. And then you need something to hydrate you after that, because although this doesn't look like it's harsh, it is very strong, the step one. So you want to balance and hydrate your face after that. And she recommended this, and seriously, I've been loving it. And she also told me to get the Thomas Roth. This one is the Cucumber Detox Bouncy Hydrating Gel. It is also a gel moisturizer, and it's so good. Like, I really like this one. It's so thick though, like honestly, it's really, that probably like could gross somebody out, I'm sorry. I love how thick it is and hydrating it is to the face. It's lightweight, but you feel the moisture in your face immediately. It creates an invisible matte veil. See, cucumber, hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, C, and E, and it's just soothe, calm for all skin types. I love this. I'm obsessed. Week I tried to like pamper my face and give myself a face mask. Honestly, I get these at Harmon's. They're so cheap. I got these in Burlington, I believe, with my girlfriend. I got 3 boxes, and then I fell in love with this one, so I went and I got some more. Love it. It just makes my face so plumpy, and like I got a facelift. I don't know, it just does something to the face. This one is very brightening. You will see like you have a lot of oil on your face the next day, but it's just that it's rejuvenating your face all over again. Adding a lot of moisture. I often look for masks that give me a lot of moisture because, like I said, the face is dry, but not everywhere. Only here on this side of my face and around my nose area. So, and if I don't get these, I often get these in Sephora because they're at the counter, and I'm like, yeah, why not? These are good as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I always use Fix Plus. I can't stress this enough. Like, I go through them like water, as you can see. I have 2 more over there. It's just something that is so good for the face, like not only for the makeup, but even before I put on any of my serums or anything like that, I will do this. And if I don't do the water mask or anything like that, I will do a oil for the face. This one is a hydrating facial oil. It has coconut and rose. If I feel like my under eye circles are a bit darker, I will use this Skin Inc Custom Blend Brightening Serum. This has saved my life as well. I also have a backup over there because she is running low. But these go so fast and they're expensive, which is what I hate. I try to get as many as I can when they have the BIB sale. But there's so many, like they all do a million and one things. I just like to get the brightening one because it helps under the eye. It says apply 3 drops twice a day before applying moisturizer, which is what I do before I apply the eye cream. That's pretty much it. I mean, I will say, like, don't sleep with your makeup if you want your skin to look flawless. Hydrate is definitely a must. Drink water, eat your veggies. Like, honestly, I see a difference, and it's only because when you eat better, you do better for you inside and out. Always take off your makeup. Like, it doesn't matter how tired you are. I rave about the Costco Kirkland makeup wipes. I love them. And yeah, make sure you use a primer. It doesn't matter what primer it is. Lately, I've been loving the YSL Touche Eclat. I know that it is expensive, so I didn't even want to talk about it, but just use a primer. Any primer, anything that's going to protect, that's going to be that barrier between the face and the foundation. You want to make sure that you use it. You know, I am really focusing on skin these days because, as we know, we get older and nothing stays the same unless you put maintenance into it. So that's basically what I've been doing now. And yeah, this has been what has been working for me. Again, I don't use everything on a daily. This is just products that I have been using and have seen a difference in my face, and you guys have as well, I will switch it up and use maybe this to clean my face. Then I will do the eye cream, and I'll do the mask, and then that's it. It just depends on the way my skin is looking and feeling, so I will know which product I want to pick and choose from. But this has definitely been the bunch that I have been using for 3 to 4 months now. If you have been using any of these products, let your girl know down below. If you have a product that I didn't mention and you feel like would be beneficial to me, comment down below and let me know what it is. I am always looking for skin products. Skincare is definitely what I am all about these days. I don't even know myself. Like, half the time I go to clients and I have no makeup on, and I know that they're like, wait a minute, you're the artist, you're gonna do my face? Are you sure about that? But honestly, I just really haven't been into the whole glam on myself. I love doing makeup on other people, but for me these days, I like to be bare. Nothing wrong with that. I'm really just loving me, and I'm embracing it. You know, it took me this long to be able to walk out and feel confident with my skin. And if you do have any imperfections, anything that you feel isn't okay or standard to the universe, because everyone feels like society has this play role and you can't go out without makeup if your face looks a certain way, I'm here to tell you, take it off, use that wipe, and you flaunt it. You go out with your face bare and all, because at the end of the day, if you can't love yourself, no one will. And it took me 30 years to get to learn that. Like, and I know a lot of you might say like, oh, you don't really have bad skin and blah blah blah, but I do have a lot of skin tags. I do have a lot of veins. Like, this vein on my forehead, if I laugh, it like penetrates like no other. Like, a lot of the times whenever I'm talking to someone and they barely know me and they get to see it, they're like, oh my god, I see the vein. And I know that they're looking at it, but there's nothing that I can do about it. It's funny because Erica Mena has the same vein, and she's always like, I can't laugh too much because the vein's gonna come out. Honestly, I'm to the point where I don't care. I know it's there. I know people are gonna look at it, but it's me. You know, these flaws that I have, I'm embracing them, and I don't feel like anybody should have to worry about it if I'm not. If I'm okay with it, then you shouldn't have to worry about it. So yeah, if you feel like you layer on the makeup because you're afraid of what the world would say about you without it, I'm here to tell you, screw them. Take it off. And I'm a makeup artist, but I feel like at the end of the day, you need to feel good in your own skin. If you feel like you need to put on a face to hide that, you need to work on it, because I can honestly tell you that it took me so long to feel confident in my own skin and get to where I am right now. But I wish that I would have did this sooner, like 5 years ago sooner, you know? But yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. I hope that, I'm sorry because I do know that a lot of products are pricey, but think of skincare as an investment. The more that you invest in your face, the more that it's going to stay the same way, you know? You want to keep it youthful and looking nice and pretty and plump and good, you know? But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know if you did. Don't forget to hit that button. It truly helps me out. I am on a mission to get to a goal. So tell your friends, tell their friends, you know what I'm saying? And hit that subscribe button. And I will see you loves in the next one. I don't think I have anything else to say other than thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you loves in the next one.